now. I have something to do. Huh? So, I'm gonna go back with you again. Okay? She's being attached with me. What should I gonna do? See that? Oh. Gotta go. I hope you are my lucky charm, okay? How I wish I can bring you home, but I cannot. Because I have lots of stuffs to carry. I have my dried fishes and my other food to eat in the house. So, what should I gonna do with you now, huh? She doesn't want to go. Say hi. I have to go. Take a look. But right now, guys, go back again to your place, okay? Gotta go to the na. Okay? Ay, sorry. Oh, no. Don't bite me. No, don't bite me. Okay? Diba? Ay! Don't. She's biting me. I think she's mad because I'm gonna leave her. Sorry. Boss? Bye for now. Okay, bye-bye.